Welcome to your maths class. So today we will start the chapter subtraction. Let us first know what is subtraction. Subtraction means to take away something from the group or the collection and to find out how many are left in the group. So let us start with counting the objects. Suppose I am having a group of stars with me. Let us count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose I am having 8 stars with me. So I am writing 8 here. Now I am going to subtract 5 stars from the group. So I will put the sign subtraction here. This is the minus sign we will use for subtraction, and I am subtracting 5 from the group. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the rest one, the left out one, we have to count. So how many are left? 1, 2 and 3. So we will write here 8 minus 5 and we are getting 3. So this is the way of subtracting, by counting the objects and eliminating the number that we are going to subtract from the collection. Now we will start to do some problems related to this by counting the objects. So let us have a look on the questions. This is the first question where we have to count how many bananas are here. It is already given that 9. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total 9 bananas are here, and we have to subtract 5 from that. That means we will cut down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And what we have to do? We have to count the rest one. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bananas left out in the collection. So we will get the answer 4. In the same way we will do the next one. How many are there? First let us count. Here total 8 apples are here. Okay. Now we will subtract 3 from the group. So we will cut down 3 and count the rest one. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The answer is 5. In this way we will do subtraction by eliminating those that we don't need in the group, and we will count the left out. Now we will learn how to do subtraction in the number line. This is the number line which is starting from 0, and it goes up to here. It is given 20. Okay. Now, so see the first number. Always keep in mind we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So while writing, we have to write the bigger number first and then the smaller number. So this is the number 9. Now we have to start from 0 and we have to go up to 9. This one. Okay. Now we have to subtract 5. Now how will we do that? We have to come backward. Okay. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are coming in the number 4 here. After subtracting 5 from the number line. So we are coming at the number 4. So the answer is 4. In the same way we will do this one. Here the bigger number is 10. That means from 0 we have to go up to 10. Now we have to come back. How many steps? 6 steps, because we have to subtract 6. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means at the number 4 we are coming. So again we are getting the number 4. That means 10 minus 6, we are getting the number 4. Now we will learn some properties of subtraction. which will make us easier to subtract numbers. So the first property that we are having is, if we subtract the number 0 from any number, suppose I am taking the bigger number 9 and we are subtracting 0 from it, then what will we get? Suppose in a in a basket there are 9 fruits and I am taking nothing from it. Nothing means 0. So what is left? All the fruits are left in the basket. That means we are getting the same number back. Okay. Now come to the second one. Second property is subtracting the number 1 from any number. I am taking the same number 9 and I am subtracting the number 1 from it. So if we subtract 1 from any number, we are getting the previous number, that means the before number of it. So 9 minus 1 means we have to subtract 1 from that and we are getting the number 8, which is the previous number of 9. Now about the third property, subtracting with the same number. We are taking the number 9 and we are subtracting the same number from it. That means there are, suppose, 9 marbles with me and I am giving away all the marbles, means somebody is taking all the marbles from me. Then what is left? I am having 0 now. That means if we subtract the same number from that number, so we are getting the number 0. Okay. So this is the subtraction up to the properties we have read today. Now in the next video we will learn that how to do subtraction of 2-digit numbers and how to arrange them in place value chart and how to do subtraction by taking borrow. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.